So next one is DC offset. So LO leakage also gives the consequence of LO leakage is DC offset, creating difficulties in design. So unwantedly, if your circuit is adding DC to your signal, it is going to make your voltage levels higher. So which is going to cause problems in the receiver. So consider the simplified receiver is shown here. So at the receiver, you will have the voltage from the antenna plus some constant value times your VLO. It is going to be plus k VLO. So it is going to offset your signal by k into VLO. So unwantedly, this signal is shifted in the positive. If the signal is going to be shifted in the positive time, it is going to be amplified. Power is wasted. It is going to be mixed, and the final IF will also have a DC component. So unnecessarily, this LO leakage is going to provide addition of DC voltage to my RF signal. So along with the desired RF signal, the component of LO is amplified and mixed. It is called as LO self-mixing. So before actual mixing happens, the LO mixing happens because of LO leakage even before the mixer. So it is called as LO self-mixing, and multiplying by sinusoid by same term will result in DC only. So actually, I am multiplying the sinusoid by the same term. So the sinusoid by itself, so it will result in the DC term. So this DC term is troublesome. It will not. It looks like just I am adding a DC signal. It is not going to corrupt my signal. No, such a component will make the processing of the signal uh, difficult. So they have observed three cases where the cascaded stage must amplify the antenna signal by 70 to 100 dB. In that case, the DC was creating problem. The received signal and LO leakage are amplified and processed alongside the receiver. So whatever DC signal added to your received signal, it is unwantedly getting amplified. So I'm going to lose power in that. For an RF signal of 280 dBm at the antenna, the receiver will provide a gain of 80 dB. So which applied to an LO will have a power of this much. So what they say is because of unwanted DC addition by the system, everywhere the power levels are going to increase. So I'm going to unwantedly amplify DC. I'm going to unwantedly mix it, and I'm going to have an unwanted DC signal at the receiver also. So this DC offset is